Good afternoon, good evening, whatever time from you on from my YouTube channel, webinar, seminar. Another subject matter, recording process. Muslims that travel to other planets. This is in Moorish Latin, in Arabic, and Punic Berber. Astronomy in the stars, in the telescopes, and a chart of the zodiac signs that travel to other planets. Written in the stars, Islam storied history with astronomy. It said the golden age of Islam saw astronomy flourish. And look at a handful of pioneer Muslim astronomers whose names were written in the stars. This was recently released in the images from NASA James Webb Space Telescope. The drama of the cosmos has been captured in vivid technicolor and unlike any others seen before. It is surreal. We're looking at the ancient galleries, some over 13 billion years old. The image of Stephanie Kunitz allows us to glimpse and interact with merge with each other. The glittering galaxies are locked in a sensual dance. Most viewers were left mesmerized by the picture of a southern ring nebula where star death was captured in all blazing glory. Not a central source, gas and dust released the dying stars, created the fantastic hues and patterns. Says the field of astronomy takes back to the first millennium BCE. Some know this as before Christ era, before Chronos era. See what else comes up when I search for it. Said 11 Muslims who have journeyed into space. I'm also going to go to Christians to see who else discovered there. And the Hittites, Amorites as well. Hazza al-Mansuri, United Arab Emirates. Says September of 2019. Suez MS through 15 spaceflight. The young Emirati to fly the F-16 out over 4,000 applicants. Selected the UAE astronaut programming. You don't have to take my word for it. You can look it up. It says 11 Muslims who have discovered different planets on journey to space. Now see what it says. It says Hittites that discovered other planets in the universe, which is considered the Hindus. Recording still in process. It says in the 1970s it gave 10 examples. The Denton family, Amuel Swanberg, Howard Menger, Captain K.E., Saxville G. Linson, Ingalls Swan, Harold Sherman, Donna Howard, George Adamski, Orfeo Alonlucci, Ra'il, Ra'il. And that's for the Hittites, the Hindus that discovered different planets in the universe. Now let's see what comes up when I look up Yahashua Ben Hur traveled to other planets. It says in this website, Aish.com, Judaism and Life in Other Planets. It says Judaism and Other Planets, 7 minutes in. NASA announced that many Jews ask, does Judaism entertain the possibility of alien life forms? And it starts off with in the beginning of Genesis chapter, when God created the heavens and the earth. And it also says he granted the earthlings as necessary for the relationship with God, purporting to reveal other manifestations of divine power and creativity. It says the question is pure theoretical in nature and may have soon the forceful relevance in light work, shaking announced by NASA. It says astronomers have detected less than 7 Earth-sized planets orbiting a cool dwarf known as TRAPPIST. Recording is still in process. The 6 other planets lie in temperature zone when the temperature ranges from 100 degrees Celsius of at least 3 other thoughts to capable of having oceans, increasing likelihood of life. No other than the star contains such as a large number of Earth size. It says the British astronomers in the University of John Moores discovered the multiple rocky planets with the surfaces which allow liquid water, what makes the amazing system in the future they target to search for life. See what happens when I put Christ travel to planets. 10 minutes in,